So today I'm gonna do another unboxing of some lures from ChaseBaits. These ones are called Flip Prawn. These are the 3.9-inch version. When you select the color, they have like a lot of different colors. This one I think is the green, and this one for sure is the jelly, which looks more real like the ones that I buy at the bait shop, like when I buy live bait. Yeah, these, look at how it just jiggles. Jiggling, baby. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out the box without hooking myself. Alright, so I got them out the box here, and I must say these things, like when I saw the video, like how they look in the water, I mean, like, I'm gonna try to find the video and like leave the link in the description, because you have to see these things in action. These things look pretty sharp, but this presentation looks very good. Look at that tail. So you can just imagine in the water, in the currents and everything, how everything will just be floating and jiggling and so you even got the eyeballs up in there. Look at it. Let me see if I can focus in on that. They got the eyeballs and everything. I mean, every single last detail was thought of making this lure. It's pretty bad. Bad meaning good, that is.